Hi, welcome to Telugu IT Factory. Today we'll see what is Excel and why we use Excel. So Excel is a spreadsheet program contains rows and columns. So Excel contains rows and columns like means table format. It contains table format. Table contains rows and columns. Also we'll call it as Microsoft Excel. Why we'll call it as Microsoft Excel means Microsoft was developed by this application. That's why we'll call it as Microsoft Excel. So using Excel we can do lot of things like we can store large number of data, we can enter strings, we can enter like large number of data we can enter, like we can create graphs, we can create pivot tables. So using Excel we can do all these things. Now we'll see how to open Excel. So we can open Excel number of ways. First we have to click here in search box, type Excel. So we have to select Excel. This is one way. Then another way, you have to click on your desktop, new, then select Microsoft Excel. Okay, like this we can open. So now I am opening my Excel. Once we open the Excel, it will looks like this. So this we'll call it as cell. Okay, this we will call it as cell. Now this we'll call it as columns, and this we'll call it as rows. Okay, now we'll see a simple student table. We'll see how to create a simple student table. So now I am taking some columns. Okay, so are you able to see here? I am entering data from second row, not first row. I am entering data from second row. Why I am entering data from second row, I will tell you later. Okay, so now I am taking serial number. Serial number means student number. Okay, now S name means student name. So simple, I am taking three subjects like mathematics, so maths. Okay, then English. Okay, English, then Telugu. Okay, so I'm taking three. So here I'm entering student number like 111. I'm taking like this. You can take your wish. Okay, so 222, 333, 444, 555. Okay, now I'm taking names. So John, then Ruby. So I will tell you standard format. While entering any data in Excel or anywhere, first letter should be always capital. You have to use first letter should be always capital. Okay, now Sandra. Okay, Sandy, then Raj. Okay, now enter marks below 100. So you are taking marks below 100. Some 85, some 95, some 75. Okay, some 65, some 50, 82, 78, 68, 55, 25, some 80, 90, 98, 87, 63. Now we'll calculate total. So we are calculating individual student marks. Okay, so here I am taking 111 student marks. Okay, so any formula in Excel start with equal to symbol. If you want to use any formula, you have to use equal to symbol. Equal to, we have a keyword called sum, S-U-M, sum. After sum, simply press tab. If you press tab, you will get this syntax. We'll call it as this syntax. It is asking number 1, number 2, number 3, etc. So we have to select from maths to Telugu. We have to drag like this, then we have to close bracket and enter. So again we have to calculate triple to student marks. So equal to sum, again press tab, then drag from here to here, then bracket close, enter. So again we have to calculate like this, how many students, suppose we have 100 students, so again we have to calculate equal to use sum like this, no need. So simply click on here. Are you able to see this dot symbol? Just click on this dot symbol and drag it, so it will give automatically. Now we'll calculate average, average, average. So equal to, we have to use keyword average, 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 press tab. Again it is asking number 1, number 2, so you have to select from here to here, then bracket close, enter, then drag. Okay, now we'll calculate minimum number, okay, minimum marks, okay, minimum equal to min. Again we have to drag from here to here, then bracket close, enter. Now we drag it. Okay, now we'll calculate maximum marks. Okay, maximum equal to max, bracket open, here to here, bracket close, enter, then drag from here to here, drag. Now we'll see pass or fail. Okay, so take column name as pass, so equal to any formula in Excel will use equal to. So here I am using if condition. If means we'll use logical test. Here we will test logical test. So equal to if, press tab. So it is asking logical test. Okay, logical test means based on the total marks we will calculate pass or fail. So you have to take this row. Okay, so equal to, so what we are taking here is greater than 200. Suppose greater than 200, comma, in Excel if we are using string we have to use double quotations. Always use double quotations while we entering string. String means alphabets, like so. Here I am taking pass, bracket close, sorry, double quotations close, comma, again double quotations open, fail. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are checking condition. Suppose this student get greater than 200 marks, he will pass. Suppose this student get less than 200, then he is fail. So this logical test we are here performing, we are logical test, enter. So now drag. Okay, so drag, so it will give pass or fail. So here all students get greater than 200 marks except one student, he got 138 marks, that's why he is failed. Now we will calculate grade. Okay, grade A, grade B. Suppose he is pass, then we'll give A grade. Suppose he is fail, we'll give B grade. Okay, so grade, we'll calculate grade. Same here also we are taking if conditions. Okay, equal to if, but here we'll take pass column. Okay, pass column, if pass. So here pass column, what is there in pass column? J3. Okay, equal to we are taking string here, that's why we are taking double quotations pass. Okay, double quotations pass, comma. So what we are taking is here giving A grade or B grade. So again double quotations A, comma, double quotations B, double quotations close, bracket close, enter. So now we'll drag. Okay, see, only except this student, all students are pass. Only this student fail. Why? Because he got B grade. Why? Because he is fail. Okay, now we'll see. So here one row is empty here, right? So why I am taking this row empty means we have to give our table heading. That's why So we don't know how many columns are there. So here we don't know how many columns we'll enter. Suppose sometimes we'll enter up to here only. Okay, sometimes we'll enter up to here only. So that's why don't give heading before. After entering your data, then give heading. So here you have to select from here to here, from A to K. Then are you able to see here merge and center? You have to click merge and center, then give student information. Okay, student information. Okay, now come out of this box, then click here like this, then give size of your heading. So here I am taking 20. Okay, suppose if you want to give any colors, background colors or text color, so you have to simply click. If you want to give background color, you have to click this box, then you have to select like this, then give background color. Okay, suppose you want to give text color, then you have to click here from select student information, you have to select like this, then click on here, then select any color. Okay, so whatever color you want, you can select that color. Okay, now we'll see. Now Excel contains what? Table format data, right? Rows and columns. Now we'll see. Suppose if you go to print screen, click on file. Okay, click on print. Are you able to see like this? So here it is showing only empty, it is not showing rows and columns. For this we have to do one. Okay, so you have to select from entire table, select your entire table, then you have to click this rectangle box, then give all borders, all borders. Now we'll see, go to file, then print. See, now it is showing all borders. Okay, now it is showing table format like rows and columns, like this we'll do. Okay, so are you able to see this dotted line, right? So we have two pages of data, so that's why it is showing one line between this. So we have to adjust our data into one page. So you have to adjust your columns like this, one page. So like this we can adjust like this. So like this we can adjust. Okay, now see, now go to file, then print. See, it is showing one page. Okay, like this we'll enter data in the Excel. This is a simple student information. Also here we have to give our sheet heading. So you have to double click here, then give student info. So if you give like this means, suppose we have number of tabs. So suppose if we want to see only student information, we can simply by seeing this name we can identify this is a student information table. Also we can give here colors to these tabs. So you have to click right click here student info, right click, then click on tab color. You can give any color. Okay, so like this we can give colors also our sheet. Okay, so this is simple student information table. Okay, thank you.